Energy efficiency is a growing priority for homeowners in Little Rock. With warm, humid summers and cooler winters, maintaining a comfortable home while keeping energy bills in check can be a challenge. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. Designed to reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and enhance comfort, these modern windows offer a host of benefits tailored to Little Rock's unique climate. Here's why energy-efficient windows are the perfect choice for your Little Rock home. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are engineered to minimize heat transfer, which means less reliance on heating and cooling systems to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. For Little Rock homeowners, where air conditioning is a necessity in the summer, this translates to significant savings. How they work. Low E glass reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, keeping your home cooler in the summer. Double or triple glazing reduces heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer with layers of glass and insulating gas, such as argon or krypton. Weatherproof seals prevent air leaks, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With reduced energy consumption, you'll enjoy lower utility bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Enhanced comfort. Energy-efficient windows do more than save energy, they create a more comfortable living environment. In Little Rock's varying climate, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and eliminate common issues like drafts and hot spots. Comfort features. Better insulation keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Reduced condensation minimizes moisture buildup on windows, preventing mold and mildew. UV protection blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. By stabilizing your home's indoor climate, energy-efficient windows enhance your overall comfort and well-being. Improved curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, making it easy to find options that complement your Little Rock home's architecture. Upgrading your windows not only boosts energy efficiency but also enhances the visual appeal of your home. Aesthetic benefits. Choose from popular styles like double-hung, casement, bay, and bow windows. Customize frame materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, to match your home's design. Add decorative features like grills or frosted glass for a personalized touch. Modern, energy-efficient windows provide a sleek, updated look that increases your home's curb appeal and value. Increased property value. Installing energy-efficient windows is an investment that pays off in more ways than one. For Little Rock homeowners planning to sell, these windows are a highly desirable feature for buyers looking to reduce future energy costs. Value-boosting benefits. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with energy-saving upgrades. Improved aesthetics and functionality make your home more marketable. Durable, low-maintenance materials enhance long-term value. With a strong return on investment, energy-efficient windows are a smart choice for improving your home's value. Noise reduction. And Little Rock homeowners who live near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas will appreciate the noise-reducing benefits of energy-efficient windows. Their multi-pane design and insulating features help create a quieter indoor environment. Noise reduction features. Multiple glass panes and insulating gas-dampened sound waves. Tight seals prevent external noise from entering your home. A quieter living space enhances your home's comfort and makes it a more enjoyable place to relax. Environmental benefit. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. For eco-conscious Little Rock homeowners, this is a meaningful advantage. Eco-friendly features. Lower energy use reduces greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Sustainable materials and manufacturing processes minimize environmental impact. Longer-lasting windows mean fewer replacements, reducing waste. Choosing energy-efficient windows aligns with efforts to protect the environment while benefiting your home. Durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are built to withstand Little Rock's challenging weather conditions, including heavy rains, high humidity, and fluctuating temperatures. Durable features. Weather-resistant materials, like vinyl or fiberglass, resist warping, cracking, and fading. High-quality seals and hardware ensure long-lasting performance. Impact-resistant glass options provide additional protection during storms. With minimal maintenance, energy-efficient windows remain effective and attractive for years to come. Local incentives and rebates. In some cases, Little Rock homeowners may qualify for incentives or rebates for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. These programs can help offset the initial cost of installation. Check for local utility company rebates for energy-efficient upgrades. Federal or state programs promoting sustainable home improvements. Discounts from window manufacturers or contractors. Take advantage of these incentives to make your window upgrade even more affordable. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows are the perfect solution for Little Rock homeowners seeking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance their home's value. With benefits ranging from lower utility bills and better insulation to improved aesthetics and environmental impact, these windows are a worthwhile investment. Partner with a trusted window professional in Little Rock to explore your options and ensure a seamless installation process. With energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable, and sustainable home for years to come.